So welcome to open enrollment for Westfield Bank. My name is Eric Thompson and I am the benefit broker working with the company and the management team on a variety of these benefits. Today I want to give you a quick overview of what you're going to find for benefits for 2018. As you go down the left side of the screen, you'll see all the different topics which you can click on. Once you click on each topic, then a video will show up on the right hand side, and right below that there will be a banner where you can access documents, contacts, or links to other websites. And then below that, we have a call out on some of the benefits and the waiting periods and who's eligible for the benefit. So with that said, let's get started. First off, medical. We're going to be staying with Blue Cross Blue Shield. We have the Blue Care Elect program as well as the HMO Blue plan, and those plans are largely unchanged. And if you go to each of the sections on the left, click on those medical benefits, you'll be able to see an overview of the plans by clicking on the Documents tab. Also on the Documents tab will be the rates for next year, and you will see this rate, the rate summary for all benefits repeated in each section. If you then look at those benefits, we also have a new benefit. It's called an accident plan, and that is a plan that is insured by the Hartford. And this will be a really important benefit for many people. First off, you do not have to be on the medical plan. This is a plan that anyone can enroll in, and you can have just yourself, you can have your full family. None of it is tied to any of the benefits. You're going to pay for this coverage. And if you look at it on the section under documents for the video, which we have from the Hartford, you're going to see that this plan provides you with cash based on the certain situations that you may have or episodes. For example, you may have an accident. If you have a follow-up, you'll get a $50 for each follow-up visit up to 3. If you have a specific injury or surgery, you could, for example, if you have an accident, get up to $1,000 for a surgery that you have. So there's a lot here. You can see here and on a number of other pages after this, lots of benefits, and it's a very inexpensive coverage. So please take a look at this section. Take a look at the Hartford documents that we have put under the documents section. Getting back to the medical plan, we also have our health reimbursement arrangement, the HRA, and that is on both plans, and it's going to give you up to 50% of the deductible, which you're used to today. And so with that said, the HRA is a separate section under the accident plan. The flexible spending account, many of you have taken advantage of this. It will continue into next year through check writers, and the IRS maximum has increased to $2,650. For those employees then using the dependent care account, that limit is still, unfortunately, at $5,000 as the IRS has not updated that. Our dental plan through Blue Cross remains unchanged for next year, and again you can see your cost or your rates on the master rate sheet for all coverages, which can be accessed by clicking on the Documents section right under the dental video. The vision plan through VSP, that hasn't changed as well. The costs are on that same rate sheet, and you'll see the VSP or the vision program referenced on the left side as well. We continue to have great disability benefits through Northwestern Mutual, both short-term disability and long-term disability, and those are referenced. The short-term disability plan will give you 60% of your pay up to $1,000 a week, and that's going to start after 1 week. So 1 calendar week, that benefit will start. After you complete 90 days, or in this case 13 weeks in total, at the 90th day, if you're still disabled, not able to work as certified by your physician, then you will go on to long-term disability, and that's going to pay you 60% of your pay up to $10,000 a month. Both of those benefits are paid by the company, so that's excellent. The life insurance paid for by the company is 3 times your salary to $1 million. You do not pay any premium on that. However, the IRS does require that Westfield Bank charge you a tax for the amount of premium over $50,000, and you've most likely seen that on your W-2s, but it's something that the bank wishes it could avoid, but at the same time it's a phenomenal benefit and the tax is minimal. But we did want to at least highlight that to you. Please see HR if you need to update your beneficiary designation on your life insurance. We're also really pleased for the first time to offer you the ability to purchase additional life insurance. It's called supplemental life, and that's going to be right below the company paid life. That plan offered through the Hartford will allow you to elect increments of $50,000 up to $500,000. So you could elect 50,000, 150,000, 300,000, 500,000, and that is going to be paid for through payroll deduction. The rate sheet shows the amounts up to $300,000, but it is available up to $500,000. So you'd simply do the math. So if you wanted $500,000, you would add the $300,000 plus the $200,000, and that would be your biweekly cost. Amounts over $150,000 are subject to evidence of insurability. So if you elect over $150,000, in December we will give you the appropriate form to complete, which is a medical questionnaire. It will be kept in strictest of confidence and go to the Hartford. If they accept it, then you'll have that the amount that you've applied for. If they do not accept it, you will still have $150,000. The great thing about the program is it also includes accidental death and dismemberment built in. So if you die in an accident, your beneficiary would get double the amount that you selected. Your spouse can also elect this insurance. Your spouse can elect increments of $25,000 up to $150,000 maximum. But you do have to enroll for your spouse to have access to the insurance. For your spouse, amounts over $50,000 are subject to the same medical underwriting that I mentioned before. Children can also be covered under the plan. The benefit's $10,000. There is no medical evidence required, and it would be a rate for each child that you apply for. So if you have 5 children, it'll be the rate times 5. But again, no medical underwriting for the children. We continue to have, through Mass Bankers and our Blue Cross plan, a really nice wellness program. You're going to see the wellness benefit listed on the lower left. And with that said, we have a variety of attachments which talk about some of their programs and how you can get some extra money by participating in the program. The United Way is still prevalent here at Westfield Bank, and there's a section for United Way with a video, and then the appropriate forms are attached for your donations that you may wish to make. And then also on the page below the video, we are outlining some incentives that the bank puts on the table based on how much you donate. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been a little bit quick, but watch the videos, click on the documents to see what's contained in the site. I think it's going to help you out a lot. And if you do have questions, by all means, you can contact HR, or if you want to go one-on-one with us so that we can maybe answer some personal questions, by all means, you can email me at ethompson@bluebacknow.com or call us at 860-218-9474. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Thank you.